Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's solve the 16th question from Leetcode SQL 15 interview questions. Given two tables, table 1 is prices and table 2 units sold. So we have to write a solution to find the average selling price for each product. So let's go in detail. So given two tables as mentioned before, so the table 1, which is price table, has product. In this table it has two products, product 1 and 2, and the same product has different prices. Maybe there is offer from this starting date to 2019 February 17 to 2019 February 28. The price for this product 1 is 5, and for the same product at different dates, maybe after month in the March 1st to March 22, for the same product the price is different. So what we have to find out for the same product, let's say the average selling price, because the now this is the price, but where the products got sold, how many units got sold, informations are here. So you have a product ID, say product 1 purchase date on this date 2019 February 25, 100 units got sold. So what is the price for each product then? So we have to go back to this table. This date falls under this range, right? It is 25 from 17 to 28. So this date, purchase date, falls under this. So that's the reason we just have to multiply the price for this product. If it is a simple average, if the price for the same price for the product is constant, if it is fixed, then it's easy to calculate. However, it is not easy to calculate now because price is differing based on the date to date, and the price is varying, right? Because of that, we have to calculate price according to that date, according to that price. So from this, for the same product, for this on this date, the price is 5, and for the same product which is a different date, which falls under this range, in the March range, the price for the same product is 20 for each unit. So that's the reason, if you see here, they're asking us to calculate for product 1. If you see, 100 into 5 for the first time, and then 15 into 15 units got sold at the price of 20. So this will give us the total, or the price, basically price for price, total price divided by how many products, for each product we need, right? So basically we have how many units got sold, 115. That's what it gives us, the average price for product 1. Same applies for product 2. So this is how we have to calculate. So let's join these two tables. We need to join this table. We have to use left join because not all products, you let's select. Let me take all the values. Okay, you listed out the price for every product you have in the store, but not all products get sold, right? So units sold in the table, you will not get all the products which are there. That's the reason we have to use this table as a main base table for products, because this is telling us to for each product. So all the product information will be there according to this table. Again, there can be a product table separately, but according to this scenario, all the products you will find it in the prices table. And if the product got sold, so obviously you will have a price for that, and then those information will come here. If the product price is there but it is not, there will be tests where you will have a product but it may not have sold. So in that case, if you use inner join, so you will miss out those products. That's the reason we have to use product left join, where I capture all these values of this table, and then from this table the matching values, right? So all right, so let's join, select star. I'll do select star from I'll just say from this left join, unit sold on, let me keep this as a P, this as US, unit sold on P dot product ID equals US dot product ID. and so purchase date which is this between purchase days between start date and end date. Okay, that this is what let's see what we get. So we got the we are getting the full information. We are just joining those tables. We corresponding values. This is from price table. This values till here, and this is from the unit sold table. Now what we have to do is for this. So we have to find out a average price for each product, right? So before that, this is what we get. Now we need only let's filter out the columns which we only need. So we need P dot product ID, sorry, small P dot product ID we need. We also need price, okay. We also need units, all right. Now what they're asking is, if you see this equation, they're asking us this is units multiplied by price, units multiplied by price. Let's see units. Let's go by their equation, units multiplied by price. All right, let's run. Let's see what we get. All right, we are getting what we need. So if you see here, what we have to do is we get a product ID, and here if you see this is 500, okay, 500. Now this is 300. This is 300 for each product divided by 115, right? 115 we need. So for each product, I'm talking about for each product. If you look at this, for what we need for each product, that's the reason what we have to do is we have to sum this, right? That's what it is saying. If you see here, that's what the average also saying. What we have to do is we have to sum this and this, right? Which is this for each product, sum this and this divided by sum of this. So that's the reason what I'll do is I'll use sum of this, all right, sum of this divided by, just understand what I'm trying to do, sum of this, because we have to calculate for each product. That's the reason I just have to combine these two as sum. That's the reason I'm trying to say like this, product ID as this, and then this is saying as average sell price as average sell price. Now because I'm summing up, I'm basically summing up this, right? So I need for each product. That's the reason I do a group by. Whenever I want for each product, I'll do group by. So let's see what I get. All right. So what is that value I have? All right. So I am getting what is needed. They are also, I think, asking us to round to decimal. So let me round it. That's all. Let me round this. All right. I think we're almost there. All right. This got accepted. Let's submit. All right. Somewhere there is wrong. Okay. Expected output. All right. 3. Okay. As I mentioned, if you remember, not all products which are kept in the purchase price table will be sold, right? Product 3, if you see here, it has a price, but none got sold. In our case, the output what we are getting is null, but actually what they're asking is to print 0. So this is the difference, nothing else. So for that, what I'll do is I have, there's one more function, if null, right? If I get a null from this output, which is what I am getting right now, if I get a null, what I'll do is I'll replace that with 0. So which is what I'm, wherever I get null value, I'll replace that with 0. So if null, that's what the function says. Let's see what I get. Let's submit. Okay, it got accepted. If you need more information, you can search about it. But basically what it is doing is, it will print the expression as is if it is not null. If it is null, if you find anywhere it is null, then it takes the alternate value, which is 0. That's what it's saying. If null, as the name itself indicates. So it has a syntax, its own syntax. That's all. Hope you understood what I'm trying to explain here. It's a very good problem to understand. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.